My 9-month-old Bosch 800 series ventless dryer flashes the DR cose and stops. This problem started a couple days after I washed and dried 2 new bath mats. I have taken out the condenser and cleaned it numerous times, but it has not helped. I am not able to disassemble anything else.
Are you getting any error codes or messages from your Bosch dryer?
Yes, the DR code.
How long has this been going on with your Bosch dryer? What have you tried so far?
It started a few days after I washed and dried 2 new bath mats a week or so ago.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I think this covers it.
Hello, this is Brandon, an appliance expert with JustAnswer.com. I want to let you know this chat is for a third-party technical help site. We are not affiliated with any manufacturer or repair service. This may need warranty service from Bosch. If so, they can be contacted at 800# or https://www.boschhome.com/us/owner-support/contact us. The DR code indicates it can't drain. There may have been backing from the rug that came off and clogged it. Cleaning it may require some disassembly. If you want help with that, I may need the model number. It should be on a tag inside the door.
Let me check. Be right back.
Okay.
E-near. WTH 865H4UC/01. Type WDT41. Is this helpful?
Looking that up now. You might be able to reach and clean the pump from the front without major disassembly on this one. https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals K9 parallel G.
Thank you.
This video shows a little more disassembly. https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals C5PN2U08EMI. I hope that information helps. If you need any additional assistance or have further questions, please let me know. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.